Hi all, this is Deepak Khalil. After yesterday's failed project on linear regression, today I'm going to start with time series analysis in Python. I will again start with linear regression project once I get proper data set or with available explanation. So till that time I will be trying another project. Maybe tomorrow we can start with that, but as of now for today we will start with time series analysis in Python. So this is article I have got for with detailed explanation. So we will start with that. Time series analysis means analyzing and finding patterns in time series data sets. So it will be like with month, year, week in that format. So time series format. A time series database is sequence of data collected over interval of time, which we have just discussed. Stock price data, monthly sales data, these are different examples of that data, those data sets which we with some examples. If you want to learn time series analysis, this article is okay. Whenever analyzing a data set recorded over the time interval, you are doing time series analysis. The time interval of time series data can be quickly, weekly, monthly, daily, or even hourly time interval. So it is more suitable of stock price interval. During COVID time we can see there are many dashboards or uh, dashboards available or graphs available which are in this particular format. So this that is also one of the examples we can consider, but the process of analyzing your data will remain the same in most of the problem. I think for this we will start with Jupyter Notebook. Uh, Yesterday we decided we will go with PyCharm, but since it is having have for this particular project we required charts, and we will for many times we will going for with time line charts. So Jupyter Notebook will be preferred one. So these are the starting points. New. First, as usual, we will start with today's day 10 series analysis, and today's date is 19. Okay. I hope it will complete by today. Okay. So naming part is done. So this is the format I'm trying to keep throughout the session. So we same time we can check the actual code, uh, and we will try code as well in after some time I will try to add another monitor, so we can have like both screen at same time. Till that time I think we will go with this one. Port y finance as yf. So data must be from uh, first from yesterday conclusion we need to check first data set. So we will check for the data set. They must, so it is the same data set we have, so I think we can use that one instead. Yeah, we will use same one. So what I will do, I will copy the same one and will for time series analysis. Stock price. So this is the one we will use. First, as usual, we need to start with assigning working directory. So now it is assigned and we will start with Y finance. Is it seems library, and import date time from date time we will be using date time data. Okay, so today date today in bracket. So these are the libraries. Okay, what is the error? Oh, there are many syntax errors. we need to install Y Finance. Install Y Finance Python. Important legal discrimination. Okay. So earlier it is part of Yahoo's finance like team, or they develop this particular, or this name Y Finance is actually Yahoo Finance. So earlier for finance related many data sets are available through this Yahoo. So it must have been developed during that period. So that's why the name assigned. So since December 2022, Yahoo Finance has been encrypting the web data that Y Finance scrape for non-market data. Fortunately, the description keys are available, although Yahoo moved or changed them several times, hence Y Finance breaking several times. Yahoo Finance is now better prepared for any future changes by Yahoo. Why Yahoo doing this? We don't know. This is it is to stop scrapers, maybe. So we have implemented. Okay, so this is the open source library or package have been developed by the programmers, but Yahoo tried to change over the time, or uh, like making non-functional most of the time. So let's see. So we have now facing issue with installing this Y Finance. Again facing issue. I think this will work. Yeah, it is done now. So we they suggested to add path, but it is not required since code is now running fine. Now uh, we will start with D1. Today's street. Why D end date D1 D2 date D1 today time delta days 720. Why 720? Let's check actually the data set. So I think since we have data here, we need not to use that particular API. I'm not sure if it will work or not, but as of now we will go with code as it is, and if we found that it is not working, then we will uh, go with the using available data in our computer. D2 start date, so in maybe in future if it will work, then in future also we will try to get different data set from Y Finance. Apple, this must be code of Apple, then start date, end end date, progress false. Let's check if it's working or not. So print data head as usual, days. Start date. I have done many typo errors in code. Yeah, finally we are getting this. So by this we are getting actual Apple related this time series data, stock data. So it in future also we will try to use that Y finance related package whenever possible. So I'm getting data from 2021 March, and this one I think March data from 2021. But here, yeah, they have previous year 2020. Okay, now we have got that data from this API. Now we will start with coding part. So the plotting part. I think that data is not latest one. They have like last data available, that only we are getting from Y Finance. So for practice purpose, we will use, but it will be not useful for if you want to check fresh or latest data from stock price. So I think it will not work. Line plot trends, we are going to see for stock prices Apple. Over here what is the expected outcome, we will try to work on the same. I have to be very careful while typing data, but I know I am making mistakes. On x-axis we will use data index, and y-axis we will be going use close detail. Title will be okay. Title, time, series analysis line plot. Figure show. So this is the details we have graph we can see, line plot we can see with our data set. However, you can observe in uh, this article code, the plot is different. Stock prices are going up. However, in this data you can see there are many variations, but not in straight line or any particular pattern. But yes, it is increasing, but with many fluctuations are there. Line plot is one of the best visualization tool while working on time series analysis. In the above code, okay, in the author is visualizing the trends in the close prices of Apple. If you place the cursor on line, you will see the close price on the exact date of the data point on which your cursor is. So that is he is referring like close one and with uh, that particular date. So with this cursor, you can observe the close price over the time. I think this 720 is refer to total number of days in between March 1, 2021 to Feb. Okay, this is the latest one. Okay, yes, it is the latest one we can use. So we can see they have Feb 16 data as well for today's 19. So 16 is Thursday. So that data is available here. So I'm sorry for previous conclusion that we cannot use data since it is old one, and this is that we it is not recent one. But with this uh, review or visualization, we can see it is the latest one data we have. So it will be good use for next projects as well. However, in this head you can see the dates are like 2021. I think that is referred to first few lines. Yes, March 1, 2021, March 1, 2, 3, 4. So first five are there. Now we will move to next part. Now uh, there will be candlestick chart to see the trends in the open, high, low and close prices of Apple. uh, Before that we will try to check what is the candlestick chart. Candlestick charts are used by traders to determine possible price movement based on the past pattern. So candlestick are useful when trading as they show four prices points: open, high, open, close, high, and low throughout the period of time the trader specifies. Okay, so it is basic. This pattern is like this chart is specifically designed for this stock prices where open, close, high, and low are uh, to be observed. So maybe this type of chart we are going to see whenever we have this particular app for trading. You must have seen this chart for different stocks. So I think that charts are like built on this particular chart only, candlestick chart. So start with, we will go for that now. Import Plotly graph objects as go, graph object as go, figure, figure, data, go, candlestick, x, data, index. Okay, open, data, open, then uh, high, data. It will be corresponding to same column. Low will be low, data low. Close will be close, data close. So then figure, update, layout, title, time series, analysis, candlestick chart. Okay, x, x axis, range, slider, visible. Okay, false. Okay, I'm not sure about this x-axis range slider will work or not, but let's see. And now figure show. Okay, it should be in this particular manner, but it's not working. So again, we have to just check the issue. Okay. Must be some issue. uh Go figure. First we will try to run this. It is working. So now we will move to next one, that is go figure data, go candlestick, x data, index, open data. Not sure the exact issue, but we will try to check what is the issue we have. There must be same issue. Figure. Okay, this small typo error causing issue. So always I will try to make sure that coding part is exact like reference, so will it will save time. So now chart is we got in output. We can see all the details like date, what is the open value, high value, low and close as well. And it is the same as this one, but for this we can see only close value, but here we can see all the available values for each and every day. So now we will, so now we have uh, got this output. We will move to next part. It is this chart is always helpful in the time series analysis of financial instrument. If you place the cursor on any point the above candlestick chart, you will see all the prices of Apple, open, high, low, close on the date where your cursor is. The red line of this chart is indicate fall in prices, and the green indicates the increase in prices. So that one, like this green area and the red area. Green means the upward of the trend, and red means the decrease of that trend. So now for this bar plot, we will go for bar plot to visualize the trends of close prices over the period. So this is the output we are expecting, but here you okay, I think here as well we will get same details we when we move cursor over the charts. Let's see. X data on X axis, as usual data index will be there. Y axis close, then title, time series, bar plot, figure. Yeah, we are getting same output, but if in this one bar plot as expected within, if we that format, like when we move cursor, we will get details of like date and close like number as well. It show increase in stock price in the long term scenario. The line chart and candlestick chart show you increase increase and decrease of the price. But if you want to see the price increase and decrease in long term, you should always prefer bar chart. So so I think over the bar plot, I will prefer this one. If you I want to like check the long term data, but it is easy to observe. Here we can see the details with differentiation. Here we can see only the line, but I think as per my perspective, both will be fine, line plot as well as bar plot. But let's see if there is any different suggestion is there, or valid point to prefer bar plot. But for me, maybe I'm not from that domain, because of that I'm assuming both are same. But let's see. If you want to analyze stock prices between the period of two specific dates, then we need to go for this code. It just maybe yeah, just maybe the range of we provide the range, and those like filtering out or zooming in those specific dates. So here will be start date and here will be end date. So maybe it's just a part of that code. Now we will figure px line data x data index y close range x. So we will give data 2021 07 till 04, because our data dates are different, so we need to modify accordingly. Our data starts with, okay, our data starts with 2021 only. I think we can use the same one, but no issue. We just, it's just a name, so no problem. A number of the date number dates. So title will be different. Time series analysis custom date range. I think with this one we can create a good app. Yes. So this is the output from July 6 till, okay. So July 4 there must be having some, July 5 maybe on weekend. Let's check. So yeah, July 4 is on Sunday. So and July 5 is on Monday. I'm not sure why it's not showing July 5 as well. Okay. Yeah. Now it is we are approaching to the interesting part where we can there will be some filters for month, like 1 month, 6 month, year, uh, here, or we all we can check at same time, like filter part. So it is interesting one. Interactive visualization, where you can manually select the time interval in the output visualization itself. One way to do is to add slider below your visualization and buttons to control time and intervals above your visualization. So here you can see slider, this part, and here are the buttons for filtering part. So we will uh, code that as well. First part will be same. Data, yeah, okay, that is for a candlestick chart. So what I will do, I will copy paste this one. So with that code we have this slider as well. Okay, it's working with this one. So maybe it just for uh, like range, manually we can just uh, create range for different dates. So that is part of this particular chart. Candlestick, and with this one we will also code now for remaining part. We will try to code this one in different line, so we will check if it works or not, or so we can get more details, or if it is possible or not. So let's code that one as well. Update, x-axis, range slider, range slider visible, range true. Then range slide, range selector, okay, dictionary, buttons, list, count. Here are the buttons parts we can see. 1 month, it is for 1 month. Then step for month, step mode, it will be backward. Okay, I think we need to use same format for 6 months. That I think it is for financial year, and this is for 1 year in backward. For last, this is for from today's date till 1 year, and this is for like last year final, last whole year. Like if I are using 1 year, then it will be 2022 or 2021, all the year. So instead of typing again, I will be using same one. It will be 6. Here step mode will be to date. Then this will be 1 year. Step will be year backward, and last will be dict step all. Yeah. Here we need to, I think, be careful where we need to check. Yeah, this is the last one. This bracket is for this bracket is for that this line. So all are perfectly aligned. Now we will go with figure dot show. So backward. Okay, we will add this in this one. So let's check. Backward. So to date and backward, for this we are getting issue. Step mode properties enumeration that may be specified as one of the following enumeration value, backward and to date. So where we are wrong, so step mode. Again we will check this all code with this starting point. X-axis, range slider, count, label 1 and step month. Step mode is backward. Wait, now what was the issue? uh, okay. It is almost same. I need to check what exactly error I have done, because when I copied from article it is working fine, but here I am getting error. So okay, my mistake. Again I have used different words. Yeah, it should be working fine, and it's working fine. So with that we have completed the last part, and there is no need to include like merge both code. For this we can see the slider, and for this we can see the final output like 1 month, 6 month. Okay, when we select this part, it's actually check for like just rearranging this slider only. So 1 month is like 1 month duration, 6 month duration, and here this part YTD and Y1Y. I am not sure exactly what is the difference. Let's check. And 1E. What is the difference between YTD and 1E? This is for calendar year, uh, time period between January 1 to specific date. Year to date means, so when we click on YTD, it will start from current year till current date, and 1 year means whole year part. uh, like from March. Okay, from March till this year. It should be from last March. Feb. Okay, this from current date till last 1 year difference is there, and so, and this is for all. So with this we have completed that part, remaining part as well. So thank you all. This is for day 10 time series analysis with stock prices. We have used Y Finance API as well, which we will uh, try to reuse in whenever possible, because it is the API we are getting latest data for stock prices as well. So thank you for support, and we will meet in next session. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a nice day.